In this video, you'll learn how to copy your Solana address in the Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to easily access and share your address for transactions or receiving funds. Begin by opening the Phantom wallet application on your device. If you are using a mobile device or desktop, ensure that the application is fully loaded and you're on the main screen. Next, look for the option labeled Solana on the main interface of the wallet. This will usually be prominently displayed, allowing you to easily switch to the Solana network. Click on Solana to proceed. After that, you will see various options related to your Solana wallet. Locate and click on the Receive button. This action will take you to the screen that displays your receiving address. Once this appears, you will notice a QR code along with your Solana address. Directly beneath the QR code, there will be a button labeled Copy. Click on Copy to copy your address to your device's clipboard. At this point, you should see a brief confirmation that indicates the address has been successfully copied. This confirmation can vary slightly depending on the version of the wallet you are using. Ensure that you have copied the address correctly before moving on. Now that your Solana address is copied, you can easily paste it wherever necessary, whether you are sending it to someone for a transaction or entering it on a platform that requires it. Keep in mind that sharing your address is safe, as it does not give others access to your funds. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.